Good morning.
What are you doing?
Coming up with brilliant ideas.
Yeah.
So I thought it'd be fun for us to spend our weekend eating only the absolute worst recipes we can find on the internet.
That sounds like a terrible idea.
Mm-hmm.
But... Alright, I'm in. Let's do
it. To make it better, I'm gonna eat them with you.
How does that make it better?
We're sharing the experience.
I guess it's some sweet, sweet revenge, eh?
Potentially. We're actually going to start off by making dinner.
I've heard about breakfast for dinner, but not dinner for breakfast.
This one takes 8 hours to make, so we will be eating it for dinner. We're going to season up this chicken with a little help from my salty bee.
We're already starting better than some recipes.
It's true, there's a little bit of seasoning. It says do it generously, so I'm going to take that to heart. Alright, away you go. Bottom of the slow cooker, bunch of smashed up garlic. The method is already questionable. Wild rice.
Everything seemed pretty good, and now I understand why it's a worst recipe.
It does get a little better than this, but I'm still skeptical. Lemon juice. And thankfully, there's water going in this, so that's good. It says to give it a stir. It also told me to mix the lemon juice with the water and then dump it all in here. I didn't. That's silly. We're about efficiency here, people.
Seeing that cloudy water, were we supposed to wash the rice?
It didn't say to, so we're not doing it. Right now, this looks like Satan's stew, but maybe it cooks up okay.
I cannot wait. This is gonna be great.
It sure is. Hope you're ready for breakfast, because this is a doozy. We're starting off a little unhinged.
Can't wait for the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, we're off to a great start, trust me. So to make our pancake batter, flour. And it did not take long for this to get absolutely ridiculous, because we have 3.5 tablespoons of baking powder. All of that. That's insane.
Well, I might be skipping breakfast.
Not a chance. We're doing this together. And just to make sure this is unpalatable, we have a tablespoon of salt. We're pretty much gonna empty Salt Bee right into this. I don't even know why I'm measuring. I don't even know if Salt Bee has the capacity. Oh, there we go. R.I.P. healthy blood pressure.
That's probably the most screen time Salt Bee's ever had.
A tablespoon of sugar. That should balance it out, right? We'll get this out of the way. Too bad I can't leave it there. Some milk and an egg. That is thick. Has this person ever had or heard of a pancake before? And yes, this recipe was posted too long ago to be AI, so a human did this. A bit of butter. Okay, that's helping a little. There it is. For our pancake topping, we're going savory today. Shallots into some sour cream. A little dill in there. And hey, you know what would be great? Some capers.
This isn't getting any better.
It's not going to, I'm afraid. A little lemon juice with your dairy in there. Very nice. Let's get some pancakes on the griddle. I sure am hungry. I think this is trying to become sentient. It has grown, and it continues to grow. It doesn't look like any pancake batter I've ever had. There's no way to really pour this, so I'm just gonna kinda scoop it. One for you, one for me. Oops. And an extra one for the cats. I think I want this one actually, it's smaller.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
It does look surprisingly pancake-like.
It doesn't smell like it though. I'll say, with all that baking powder, they certainly rise a lot. You wouldn't need a stack of these, they're a stack all their own. I think we're cooked, literally and metaphorically. So you know when you have a drink that's this big, and then they put a garnish on top of it that's that big? This is giving the same energy, because you're supposed to garnish these with a pound of smoked salmon. To put it in perspective, this is 0.6 of a pound. Obviously, we're not gonna put that much on here because that's ridiculous. It would basically be one of these each. So we're just gonna put a bit on.
Yeah, you're not wasting that smoked salmon on there.
Definitely not.
They actually look kind of good. If I had forgotten the last, 20 minutes, I would be pretty excited.
Let's see how you feel when I get the toppings on it. See, that looks like more than enough smoked salmon to me, especially if it's supposed to be a garnish. Now for an actual garnish, it says to put a sprig of dill on there. That's what a garnish is. That's what it looks like.
How's it feel to be in the hot seat?
Great.
This is great.
Ooh, it's reminiscent of a dumpster behind Red Lobster. But does it taste like that?
Yeah, it's really good. Very good.
The dumpster would taste better.
Oh yeah?
I love the taste of baking powder.
I'm quite enjoying mine.
Are you?
Yeah.
You're just eating the you sneak. I'm done. The rest of the day is all yours.
You're just eating it wrong.
Yeah, it's a skill issue. Even without the pancake, that sauce is ruining that salmon for me. Hey, no, big bite.
Nah.
Big bite.
Your bite's tiny.
I have a tiny mouth.
No. I think for the most part, I'm gonna hold out for lunch. Surely you found something better for lunch.
Guess we'll see. I have an idea. Why don't you make lunch?
Okay, so it has to be a bad recipe,
Has to be a worse recipe.
but I can choose.
You can choose.
We're gonna do some serious research.
I'm looking forward to it.
I might choose a different apron though.
What? That one's perfect.
I want a full apron. Okay, it's about 1 o'clock now. I'm still hungry from breakfast, but I've been tasked with lunch and I think I found the perfect thing. So come check this out. Okay, so look what I found on the Food Network. We have macaroni and cheese with broccoli, 16 reviews, 2.5 stars. And the best part, look, it's just 2 ingredients, mac and cheese and broccoli. We can actually eat this. I think I have gamed the system and we're going with it. I found an amazing recipe. We have some KD, Kraft Dinner,
Oh, goodness.
or Kraft Mac and Cheese for you Americans. So I'm going to cook this and then I'll be back.
But there's more to it.
We will be adding to the mac and
Okay.
cheese. It is an actual recipe. I wasn't able to cheat as much as I tried. We got our margarine, because that's what the package actually says.
Oh, wow.
I didn't actually read the order, I don't think. I don't know if it matters. Cheese powder and our milk. Okay, look at that.
Very nice.
Remember the other night when we had some chicken and broccoli?
Yeah.
Well, I got that broccoli that was left.
Okay. Ooh. Get a little vegetable in there.
Yeah, some happy little trees.
Perfect. Now what?
Exactly, you're probably wondering what's next.
I am.
The only thing that's next is we're gonna put this in bowls and eat it.
What?
Yep,
That's the recipe.
that's the recipe.
You add broccoli to macaroni. 2.5 stars? Why?
Probably because it's not really a recipe, but I gamed the system and now we have lunch.
I should have chosen for you.
Can you really be mad when you made us a barely edible breakfast?
Okay, that barely edible breakfast was a lot of work.
Okay, well, this was not a lot of work and it's completely edible, so
Fine.
different sides of the scale. We're going with it.
Before we eat this, I do have to say something.
Yeah.
You had the opportunity to get revenge on me. You could have made me whatever you wanted, and you chose mac and cheese with broccoli. So, you're a good man.
Yeah, but you still have to try all the recipes today, so I'd rather have some lunch.
Yeah, that breakfast was a little underwhelming.
Would you like some pepper bee?
I would. Hey, Pepperby. Look, you get to be part of something not too bad today.
This is great.
Look at us.
Look at us. Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Not me.
It's delicious. I don't know what's with all those haters.
Best worst recipe I've had.
Same. I do try them sometimes. Just not all of them.
I love gaming the system.
That's what you want to call it. I think you're just making yourself comfortable.
Well, I think I'll be good until dinner. Okay, we just finished eating lunch. I was looking at the reviews on the Food Network, and as I was going through the recipe, I realized I made a very small mistake. So when I was done, I was supposed to put it in a casserole dish and bake it for 10 minutes in the oven. I didn't do that. I may have just ruined everything. I'm gonna have to tell Liz, and she's probably not gonna be happy. But I don't think it would have changed that much. It's still a bad recipe. We will recover.
So I just checked the crock pot. It's got a little time left on it, but the results are not looking promising.
Yeah, so small issue with lunch.
Huh?
I may have forgotten a small step.
How many steps were there?
3?
You forgot. Wait.
This is why you do the recipes.
That's true.
Probably wouldn't have changed much. It's fine.
You owe me for this one. We'll talk about it later.
Uh-oh.
Okay then. Big reveal. I feel like it burned a little on the bottom. Yeah, a little bit.
Looks a little like gluey down there.
Just a little. You know there's that dish, Eggs in Purgatory? This is like chicken in hell. I guess we're going to eat it now.
We sure are, because we don't have a choice.
I'll dish it up. Your gruel, sir.
No garnish?
What, you want another pound of salmon? I'm just kidding. It gets parsley.
Oh, there is a garnish.
There is. For what it's worth. I don't even like parsley.
Looks a little better, but it's kind of like putting sprinkles on crap. At the end of the day, it's still crap.
But who knows? It could be awesome. There were a couple people who really liked it. We could be those couple people.
There's hope.
There's hope. Some of the reviews are hopeful. I like the little parsley vase.
I brought something else.
Oh yeah.
For this romantic dinner. Oh, it lights up. There we go.
Very nice. I almost feel like we should have wine or something, but we don't really drink it.
Only in worst recipes.
Yeah. It doesn't smell like much.
Doesn't look like much either.
It does not.
The chicken is cooked.
Oh, I would hope so. It's in there for 8 hours. Oh. It's like baby food. It's mushy.
Okay, those big chunks of garlic didn't go anywhere either. The chicken is mushy and dry at the same time.
This is a 0 out of 5.
I give it at least a 1.
I'll give it a 0.5 for being edible.
I could eat this. I wouldn't be happy about it, but I could eat it all.
Oh, good news for you. Here's your dinner. I'm ordering takeout.
I might have cheated a little bit for lunch, but that's really cheating.
No, it's not. There's
Ordering takeout?
I'll just save room for dessert.
Okay, there's dessert.
Oh yeah, there's dessert. Well, it's gonna have to be my dinner because...
Oh, you ate it all though. Look at that.
Oh yeah, clean my plate. Please, sir, can I have some more?
Sure.
Oh, no. I'm full. Couldn't eat another bite. Stop it. No. I feel like we need a refreshing palate cleanser after that dinner. So let's go with a fruit salad. Got some mango, perfectly ripe, papaya, orange sections, grapes. The recipe is very clear that you must add the banana at the last minute.
That is actually good advice.
It is.
Now, what are you gonna do to completely ruin it?
Nothing. This is it.
This is great.
Maybe someone can tell me, is there anything about this that is Ethiopian? Someone needs to enlighten me because I can't find any information on how this is an Ethiopian fruit salad. According to one reviewer, this is the only Ethiopian recipe on the entire website, and it has nothing to do with Ethiopian cuisine. Either way, it looks like it's gonna taste alright.
Not gonna lie, I'm happy for this day to be over.
This definitely seems like a naming issue. Also, it's just a fruit salad. It probably doesn't really need to be on Food Network, but I say that as someone who has made some of the worst possible smoothies that could ever exist, so people can mess up really simple recipes.
I also didn't get a lot of banana.
Maybe by the last minute they meant like, put it in your bowl. The instructions were really short.
I already know all about instructions.
This guy talks to me about skill issues. Can't read 3 sentences. All I can say is I'm glad I don't have to eat the worst recipes every day, all the time.
I come close.
That is entirely not true. Anyway.
Thanks for watching.
We appreciate it.
Okay, comment the recipe you messed up the most.
Oh yeah.
I'm not alone here. Tell me.